very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Tic tac, 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 tic tac. Everything, everything, everything pulled out. Everything pulled out. Everything pulled out. Your destiny, your purpose, your meaning, your desire. Everything you're supposed to do in life matters. Everything you do matters. To the Most High, your purpose in life matters. Everything you do matters to the Most High. And so, where can we go? Can we go to clean up our mess? We'll go to the Most High, Christ, the divinity, the true one that takes all of our darkness away, all of our chaos, all of our illnesses away, to the point where we have no more, where we are just needing Him and nothing else. 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 Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. We make a pact right now. We know our purpose. We know the journey. We know where we are going. We know how to get there, how to move our aim in life, our dreams, goals, visions, and desires. But we have to be sincere with ourselves, not only with ourselves, but with the Most High in general, that we know what we are doing and we are serious about our journey with Him, a journey to fulfill our purpose, dreams, destiny, and desires. We can draw near unto Him because He will draw near unto us. But only if we draw near unto Him, He will draw near unto us. We must grow and learn in our journeys, because our journeys do matter to Him, to where we need to go in this life. Time is of the essence. Time is short. The days are evil. What are you doing now to invest your time in with Him? If you haven't taken the time to spend time with Him today, go stop this video and go spend time with Him, because it matters. It matters to Him. He loves. He does care about where we are going, who we are, what we are doing. And where we are going. And so we ask ourselves, how do we get there? Your journeys through life, your journey, your life purpose, goals, dreams, and desires are for a reason. You have to draw nigh unto the Most High in order for anything great to happen in your life, especially with destiny awaiting. You must contact Him, pray out to Him, and He will guide your way, the path, your journey to the way you are trying to go. Your path means everything to Him. And so we have to ask, how are we supposed to get there in order to seek, for a more purpose, more journey in our lives. We have to negotiate, but more importantly, have a relationship with Him. In order for us to have that relationship, we must get into the secret place, the high place, the place that nobody normally wants to go to because they are awfully feeling quite shamed for doing. And it's just in our human nature not to want to go pray, because we are feeling most abandoned, most lost, most dark, not in our right minds, our right self. The here and the now are where we want to go. We need to find a better way, a better angle, a better way of reaching out to Him, in order that we must seek Him on a daily, on a daily, on a daily, on a daily. We must grow. We ever want peace, serenity, source, love, growth, guidance, wisdom, honor, love, serenity, divinity. He is our only source we go to turn to, our only purpose, our only vision, our only dreams. The only desire we should ever have in this life is to be fulfilled and filled in Him, for He is our life source, our life boat, our life vision, our life stance. How will we ever achieve anything without Him? He is what makes us breathe, gives us life. If He is for me, who shall be against me? We are His, He is ours. We should not be afraid of Him, for He holds all the secrets to our life as we know it. He is the only one that can really help us shine through and through. He's the only one that can truly help us out with anything. How can you do anything without Him? Without Him. How can you seek life when He was the one that gave you life from the start? This is by no accident. This is by no mistake. By all means and every means should we seek Him. He will continue to grow us in wisdom, fruit, guidance, patience, love, long-suffering, elegance, wisdom, and more. We can grow to glow and glow to grow. We are one in Him. He is our divinity. He helps shape us into people we need to be in every way, shape, and form. We are His.